In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Microsoft Forms question page by page. Whether you're organizing a survey, setting up a quiz, or gathering feedback, creating forms that are well-structured can make all the difference. And today, I'll guide you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. Navigating directly to the Microsoft Forms homepage is a convenient way to begin designing your form efficiently. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account details. If you don't already have an account, there's an option to create one. Signing in ensures all your forms are saved and easily accessible for future edits. With your account ready, it's time to open your Microsoft form. If you're starting from scratch, just click on New Form. If you're looking to modify an existing form, browse through your list of forms and select the one you wish to work with. Now comes the exciting part, building out your form with questions, section by section. Begin by clicking the +Add New button. This option is your gateway to creating a comprehensive and engaging form. Then, the next step is to select the drop-down arrow, or sometimes the 3 dots, which reveal more question types. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of question types, allowing you to tailor your form to suit specific needs. To create a new page in your form, choose the Section option. Sections allow you to create different pages within your form, helping to organize your questions meaningfully and logically, and making it easier for respondents to navigate. It's also an excellent way to break down complex forms into manageable sections. After selecting the section option, you will be prompted to enter a title and, optionally, a description for this new section. The title should give a quick overview of what this section is about, such as contact information or feedback on services. The description is your opportunity to provide additional context or instructions for this part of the form. With your new section in place, it's time to add questions. Click within the section to start adding questions relevant to that section. You can mix and match different question types depending on what information you're seeking. It's important that each section flows logically to keep your respondents engaged. Lastly, if you find that you need more pages to cover all your questions adequately, simply repeat the steps. Add another section, provide a title and description, and then populate it with your questions. By doing so, you ensure your form remains organized and comprehensive. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to create a Microsoft Forms question page by page. This method helps create a clean and organized form structure which enhances the user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident about using Microsoft Forms for your next project.